What's up, guys? Today we're talking about something a little different. So instead of the trailer stuff, we're gonna switch back to cameras real quick. And actually we're gonna keep doing this. So on this channel we're gonna talk about camera gear, we're gonna talk about how to film stuff, how to edit stuff, and how to do all that on the road in a trailer, because that's what I do. So I know it's a little bit niche, but hey, you know, I figure that it's kind of helps both photographers and people that travel full-time. But anyway, so today I'm switching, or I guess I said I was switching. I still have both, but I'm mainly switching from the GoPro system to the Insta360. But this is the Insta360. It's got cameras on both sides, 180 degrees for both cameras. It's super chill. It's 180 degrees per lens, and then you've got like a me mode thing. I know I'm late to making a review about this camera. That said, when I ordered the camera, it had to come all the way from China, so it took a few weeks, I guess, to get it here. But anyways, super cool camera. Let me show you. All right, now that we got it set up, let's. All right, so this is the Insta360. So this camera has great dynamic range, and what makes this camera really dope is that you get literally every angle. You can't miss a shot with this camera. So when you're riding your bike or your one wheel or whatever it be, and you got this camera with you, you can get some really killer shots from, you know, the whole back walking thing, and like if you're riding your one wheel backwards, all that kind of stuff. You can get some really cool shots with this, and like even outside of your vehicles. Now, mind you, make sure you're careful and don't hit another car or pay attention to driving. The Insta360 camera is really good for getting like those driving shots. But what makes me really want to switch from the GoPro to the Insta360, and the reason this one's going in my kit and the GoPro's kind of coming out, is that you don't miss a shot. With the GoPro, you have to set it up. You've got to set it up, you know, where you're going to be at, what you want it to see, all that kind of stuff, and that's fine because the GoPro has a better picture quality. But as far as capturing what you want to capture, I can capture 2 angles with one shot, or I can capture 4 angles with one shot, really. So I don't have to keep switching cameras or switching angles, stuff like that, so it just makes my life a whole lot easier. I want to show you guys something. Cool. All right, I got the super long selfie stick. Dude, this thing, look at that. Look how long that is. Hold on. Let me get the camera. Look at that. You see that? This is the gigantically long selfie stick. It's like way out there. It's 3 meters long. 3 meters. So another thing that makes this camera really cool is when you're using it, the selfie stick that comes with it is invisible. And the reason it's invisible is because because of the 2 cameras, it has 180 degrees on both sides. It has to stitch the 2 images together. So your selfie stick falls right into that stitch, right into that fold. So it makes it invisible, which is really nice when you're trying to get shots of yourself or whatever it be, and you don't want something else in your shot blocking the shot. So they have the really long selfie stick that's 3 meters long. They've got the short one, which I'm not exactly sure how long that one is, but it's about the length of a normal selfie stick, right? And then they also have the bullet time cord. The bullet time cord, you can like spin around you and do some really cool stuff with it. It's a little too like niche for me, I guess. I don't know, like I'm never gonna do that, so I didn't order it. But yeah, so this camera, it's insane, and it can get some really cool shots. You can even like kind of makeshift a drone shot, like if you want to go somewhere and they don't allow drones, this camera can almost get those same shots for you because of how long that stick goes up in the air. So it's kind of worth it all the way around. Makeshift drone shots. If you can't get drone shots, both, you can get both. There's no way this camera doesn't stay in my bag. Also, that bag you saw, that was definitely the Peter McKinnon backpack. I bought his I bought both of his backpacks. Just kidding, I bought all three. I bought the backpack, the big backpack, the little backpack, the sling, and the 2 little compartments that go in this thing. So, Peter, if you ever watch one of my videos, which I don't know why you would, but Peter, if you see this video, you make amazing stuff, and I love you. What? So this is our little outside office tent. It's definitely one of my favorite rooms in the house. Look guys, if you guys have any questions about the RV life, if you guys want to know or are curious about something as far as cameras and RV stuff, please give me a comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know what you guys want to learn. It's definitely interesting moving from a house into a trailer, and you travel full time and do this. And so I'm really excited for the rest of this journey and to see where it goes, and to bring all of you guys along with me. So I definitely want to know what you guys want to learn, what you guys want to see, what are you curious about, all that kind of stuff, because this life definitely comes with its challenges, but for me, those challenges are well worth it. This is a very rewarding lifestyle, and I'm in love with it. So yeah, anyways guys, we'll see you guys next time on Chef Coy RV. See you guys next time.